Happy New Year, dear kids! Do you want to know what Chinese children usually do to celebrate Chinese New Year? Today, let's learn about it and celebrate the New Year's coming together.
春节 Chinese New Year or the Spring Festival. Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival or Lunar New Year, is the greatest festival in China with a 7-day long holiday. 贴春联 putting up Spring Festival couplets. During the Spring Festival, almost every Chinese family posts Spring Festival couplets on their doors to express sincere blessings and good wishes. 吃蛋卷 eating egg rolls. Egg rolls symbolize the wealth for the coming year because of their shape and resemblance to gold bars. 收红包 receiving red envelopes. Wrapping lucky money in red envelopes represents luck. In Chinese culture, red symbolizes good fortune. So, if you want to receive a red envelope with money in it, you should pay your respects to the others and say Happy New Year. 放爆竹 setting of firecrackers. Firecrackers can create a festival and lively atmosphere. It has been an indispensable part for Chinese people to celebrate the Spring Festival since ancient times. It is said that setting off firecrackers can bring people joy and good fortune, as well as scare off monsters and bad luck. 挂灯笼 hanging lanterns. The rounder red lanterns represent union, which can also bring good luck to people.